as you can see, is that they are not named in the Exodus narrative. So, where did Paul get their names from? Well, there are a few possibilities. Number one is that the Damascus document from the Dead Sea Scrolls does mention Janus. So it tells us that this tradition of their names predates the New Testament. Other options are the Apocryphon of Janus and Jambres, and Origen said that this is where Paul got their names from. Then you can see that there were other sources that mention Janus and Jambres by name as well. Bottom line is, if Paul found this acceptable, then we should too. He also cited the life of Adam and Eve, an apocryphal work that describes Satan coming as an angel of light, and also the term third heaven, where we today would simply think of this as heaven. This is twice found in the Greek version of the life of Adam and Eve. Interesting thing is that the Slavonic translation refers to an archangel named Joel. And in Hebrews 11:37 is that it is very likely that the writer here is using the ascension of Isaiah in reference to Isaiah being sawed in half by Manasseh. That story is not recorded in the Old Testament, nor is there any story of any prophet being sawn in half. So, this is likely where the Hebrews writer is getting it from. So, when we see these direct connections in 2 Peter 2:4 to 1 Enoch chapters 10 and 20, is that we should not get unnerved by it. For 1 Peter 3:19 through 20 is that this can then be better understood after one compares it with the Enoch's story of similar descent in chapters 12 through 16. So, when it comes to Jude 14 through 15, is that you have to simply come to terms with the reality that Jude was sourcing 1 Enoch in his epistle.